If you cannot print it out, now I will show you how to create it on a separate piece of paper. This would be a great thing to do on a blank paper, a piece of scratch paper, or even on your whiteboard if you would like to use your whiteboard. At the top, just like with the sheet, you will write your name and class. Then we will move into the 3 sections of hatching, cross-hatching, and pointillism. I will write hatching, cross-hatching, and pointillism. Underneath each, I will make 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, I will prepare the cube and the sphere at the bottom. I did a divider line down the middle to keep them separate. The cube does not have to be perfect, but here is how you can draw a 3-dimensional cube. You start with the letter Y. You close off the top with a diamond. Finish off the bottom with a letter V. And connect the 2 sides with a straight line. This one is going to be your dark value. This one is going to be your medium value. And this one will be your light value. On this side, you draw a big circle and label it dark, medium, light. And that's it. Then you are ready to fill this out just like I showed you before. Good luck!